What's up guys, it's your boy BT here, and this is the review of the Ducky 12 RGB TKL. You guys have been asking me for the longest time to get some 10 keyless keyboards on the channel, and so here we are. We got to start it off right with one of the best on the market from Ducky. So today I'll be unboxing and giving you my thoughts on this 10 keyless keyboard. It's coming in at $125, which is competitive for today's TKL market, especially for a quality board of this kind. Now in the box we'll find the keyboard in all of its glory. It's got a nice weight to it. Also, you'll find some extra color keycaps in there, a USB-C cable, a regular spacebar, and a keycap puller. Now, you guys all know that I am a huge fan of them giving us those extra color keycaps because it allows you to get into the hobby of keyboards a little bit easier. It gets your, you can like dip your toe in there. I know I sound like a broken record, but I really do feel like this does make a difference, and it really helps you get into the hobby of mechanical keyboards. With this Ducky, again, I got the yellow keycaps as well, which are my personal favorite. The enter key is purple, which I like, and I kept it as the purple this time. You know what, I want to mix it up. I didn't want to like do the same thing over and over again, so I just kept that one purple enter key on there. Now you can buy those separately online if you want a different color for like $8. I know I get a lot of questions about that in the comments. It's got the year of the dog spacebar as well, which is also sick as always, especially with that RGB shining through it. The keyboard itself is significantly heavier than the Ducky 12 Mini, weighing in at 953 grams, almost double the Ducky 12 Mini. It's got that same low profile look and feel of the Ducky 12 Mini with that black and white casing that everybody just loves. It's got that same 3-level kickstand design, which I personally love because it allows you to adjust the keyboard to your preference, and it's got those dip switches on the back allowing you to rearrange your bottom row. So a lot of customization here. The build quality of this keyboard feels exceptional to say the least. The keycaps are double shot PBT and feel great to type and game on. Now it comes in all the Cherry MX variants. I know some of you guys hate Cherry MX, but I love them personally. The version I went with was the Cherry MX Brown, which are my current favorites. So let's drop a sound test for you guys right about now, since I know you guys love them so much. Oh yeah, never gets old, does it? The cool thing about the Ducky 12 RGB TKL is that Ducky has software for it, so you can configure everything from your desktop. So you can configure it. You can also do it on board without the need of software by holding the function plus F10. That will allow you to cycle through all the single and multicolored modes for RGB, breathing, and rainbow modes. You can speed up the rate of an effect by holding the function and left or right arrow keys. The function up and down increase the brightness. Now you can also hold the function and F10 for 3 seconds, and that'll turn off the backlight completely if that's the look you're going for. To change the color of the modes, just hold down F5, F6, or F7 to adjust the red, green, and blue. Function plus F8 will erase what you've done, so if you mess up, you can always go back. So to make macros, you can't do it on the first layer. That's your default layer. You can't change that. So all you have to do is hold function 2 to 6, so you get 5 other layers to customize. Now holding the function and control for 3 seconds, you can start the recording, and then you can start recording your macros. Just press the key that you want, it'll start blinking, and then you hit the macro that you want, and they give you a whole list of like multimedia keys to arrow keys and things like that that you can actually program on different layers. And you can also do like a function or a function control layer as well. So a lot of customization with this keyboard. A lot of that same magic from the Ducky 12 Mini is present with this keyboard. If you're someone who needs dedicated arrow keys or just more keys in general, but you don't want a numpad, this is the keyboard to get. I feel confident recommending this keyboard as I could see it lasting you for years to come. The build quality is amazing. The keys feel amazing. They give you top of the line stuff here. So $125 might seem like a lot now, but just think, this could be the last 10KL keyboard you might ever need to buy. Alright guys, it has been your boy BT. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. It's been your boy BT.